This is the first in a series on me walking you through how to become an Amazon influencer. We're going to start from the very, very beginning, and this is just the introductory video. So I'm actually not going to log into anything, sign up for anything. I'm just going to kind of walk you through. So I've mapped this whole thing out in a document over here, a course that I'm going to share with you once I get it all printed. I need to kind of fine tooth it and all that kind of stuff. But I wanted to walk you through the process as if I were doing it by myself. I'm going to start with a new account. I'm going to use an account I've never tried to connect with, an Amazon influencer account. So maybe we do our 3 videos and we fail and we have to start all over again. I want to go through that whole process from the very beginning. And you probably don't know what I'm talking about, and that's okay. If you're brand new to this, below there's going to be a link to a document that I've obviously used AI to help me kind of walk you through the process. And then I am going to create a series of videos that match that process. This is going to be on YouTube. It's going to be free. I think the point where I may start charging for this is if people want one-on-one coaching or mentoring, and that's probably where I'll spend a lot of my time. Maybe we do a advanced group where we have weekly calls or something like that. But the course and to get in is going to be absolutely free. Before we jump in, there's a few things that I want to tell you. This is going to take some time. You're going to have to carve out a certain number of hours each week where you do this. Some weeks it'll be small, some weeks it'll be short. Some of you don't necessarily right now have a social media following, and so you're going to have to build that up. I've spent the last year kind of building up a following that we're going to use. We're actually going to use my review channel to see if we can qualify for the program. We'll see. It'll be interesting. I'm actually excited to kind of do this whole experiment together. There are some apps that I have already purchased that help this process go easier, faster, and help you kind of scale quickly. I will link throughout the videos what those are, what they do. I'll probably share examples. You can follow the rest of the things of the videos there. But again, this is the first in a series of how to become an Amazon influencer. The next video should show up here.